Hi again. I'm Talky Tara, your little language buddy. Did you see that fun video? Can you guess what the idiom is? Let's take a peek at two tiny stories. Come on, let's find out together. Okay, time for our first tiny story. This one's about a boy named Mark. He's at a new school event. But he doesn't know anyone. He's feeling super shy and standing all alone. But guess what? Someone walks up to him and says hi and offers him a cup of juice.
Hey, I saw you standing here. I'm Leo. These parties can feel kind of weird, huh? I used to just stand around too, so I thought I'd say hi. Here, I grabbed one for you too. Oh, thank you so much.
Just like that. Mark smiles, they start chatting and dancing, and boom, the awkward moment is gone. That, my friends, is what we call. You'll see after the next story. Now, let's watch another tiny story. This one's about a little preschool girl named Anna. She just joined a brand new school. Everything feels big and a little scary. But then, a kind little boy walks over, holding his teddy bear. He smiles and says, "Hi. Do you want to play with Teddy and me?" Anna giggles, nods, and sits beside him. They cuddle the teddy and play together happily. See? With that friendly hi, a sweet friendship began. Hi again. Did you enjoy the stories? Well, this fun little idiom is, break the ice. Nope, we're not talking about frozen water here. It means, doing or saying something to make people feel comfortable when they first meet, especially when things feel a little awkward or quiet. Let's use it in a fun sentence. Tina told a silly story to break the ice on her first day at school, and everyone started laughing. See? It's a smart way to help people open up and feel friendly. Now you can use break the ice the next time you meet someone new. Yay! Now you know what break the ice means. Next time you meet someone new, try a little hello, a smile, or share a toy, just like in our stories. Thanks a bunch for watching and learning with me. And, guess what? We're already 63 friends strong. Thank you so much for subscribing. Only subscribe if you like my content. I'll be here with more fun and idioms, just for you. Bye bye. See you soon.
Talky Tara, that's my name. Learning words is like a game. Giggles, dancing, silly fun. Come learn and laugh with everyone.